Hello and welcome to our video recipe for Rote Grütze. This delicious fruit compote is a typical speciality in northern Germany. Let me show you what kind of fruit you will need for this flavorful dessert. Classically, Hamburg-style Rote Grütze uses a mixture of strawberry, raspberries and red currants for this dessert. But there are many other traditional recipes with fruit variations depending on the availability and the region. For this video recipe, I used fresh strawberries, frozen raspberries and canned tart cherries. I washed all fruit, removed the stems and cut the strawberries into small bite-sized pieces. Add the fruit juice, sugar, cinnamon stick and vanilla extract to a medium-sized pot and bring the mixture to a boil. In the meantime, pick out some nice fruit for the garnish and set them aside. Then add about half of the remaining fruit to the pot and simmer it on low heat. Mix the instant vanilla pudding powder with a few tablespoons of water or juice in a small bowl and then blend it with the simmering fruit mixture. Bring it to a boil and mix well until everything is well combined. And now you can blend the remaining other half of the fruit into the mixture. Then just remove the pot from the heat and remove the cinnamon stick. Portion the Rote Grütze into individual decorative glasses or into an airtight container. Allow to cool completely and store it in the fridge until serving. Serve with vanilla ice cream, vanilla sauce or heavy whipping cream and garnish it with fresh berries. Guten Appetit!